These are beautiful. We call these ramekins with pocket spreaders, but I'll tell you, that's a 10-ounce ramekin. That's awfully big, right? It's got lots of room, and then you've got your little spreaders that have the stainless steel spreader knife on the bottom and then the stoneware up top. So this is Mummy. I also have, well, actually we're ordering it in a set of 3. So in the set of 3 of Buffetti, you have Mummy, Frankie, and Esmeralda the cat. Meow. All right, perfect. And then we've got Harvest for you. And down below, we've got your orange, off-white, and light green pumpkin. And look at the spreaders. Look how cute. And those are called Harvest. You've got a little holder in there for the spreader, so you can put your hot dips in here, cold dips in here. Imagine filling this with a spinach artichoke dip, easy for me to say. And then spread it on pita chips using that little spreader. Wouldn't that be nice? Or use one of the Dip Hoorays that Tara has brought to us on QVC and utilize those. Or you can pick up a prepackaged dip at the grocery store and just spoon it in there. Nobody needs to know, nobody's judging. So this is what it's all about. Don't miss out on this opportunity. So we have the set of 3 in Buffetti. These are all, I would probably hand wash the spreaders, but the ramekins themselves are dishwasher safe. This is Buffetti, where you get Frankie, Esmeralda the cat, and Mummy, all 3. And then in the Harvest, you get the 3 colored pumpkins. I know these pie plates are in the way, so I'm gonna pop those out of the way. And there are those. Okay, and then we have the mug